A seismic shift could be coming to the smartphone world, and Google might just be about to rewrite its own rules. Leaks hint at a radical change in the Pixel 11 series, something deeper than cameras or colors, something that could finally give Google the edge it's been chasing for years. If this is real, the Pixel 11 Pro might be the moment Google stops holding back, and the results could surprise everyone. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's dive into what could be the quiet revolution of 2026 in the Pixel lineup. The Pixel 10 series just launched, but whispers about the Pixel 11 are already taking the tech world by storm. At the center of the rumors is a shift that could redefine Google's flagship strategy, a move away from Samsung's modem tech to a MediaTek Ember 90 modem paired with the next-gen Tensor G6 processor. This isn't just another spec bump. For years, Pixel users have dealt with middling network speeds, inconsistent 5G performance, and signal issues. This could change everything. The M90 is a powerhouse. Dual SIM, dual active 5G, millimeter wave and sub-6 support, peak speeds up to 12 Gbps, and yes, satellite connectivity baked in. That last one is huge. If Google integrates it, the Pixel 11 could be the first phone from the company that keeps you connected even in remote areas. Emergency messaging, off-grid communication, next-level safety features, it's all suddenly possible. And here's where it gets even more interesting. A new modem isn't just about faster 5G. It changes thermal management, antenna design, and battery efficiency. Considering Pixels have historically struggled with heat and signal stability, this quiet upgrade might be the most impactful improvement yet, quietly transforming daily usability. If Google and MediaTek hit the sweet spot, this could mark the beginning of a partnership shaping Pixel hardware for years to come. Now, let's talk variety. Rumors suggest multiple Pixel 11 models: the base Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and even a Pixel 11 Pro Fold. The foldable legacy from the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might continue, while slimmer, ultra, light designs could compete directly with the iPhone Air and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge. Google could finally produce a Pixel that isn't just functional but sleek enough to turn heads. And then there's the elephant in the room: Samsung. They've been integral to Google's Tensor chips from day one. Moving to MediaTek could signal a major shift in Google's in-house silicon strategy, giving the Pixel lineup the independence it's long needed. If executed well, this could finally put Pixels on par with Apple's A series and the top Snapdragon Elite chips in real-world performance. Of course, these are still leaks, and Google hasn't confirmed a thing. But following them now lets us spot trends and anticipate what the company might unveil in August 2026. It's a rare peek behind the curtain at how a major tech giant is evolving its flagship line. So, what do you think? Should Google break away from Samsung's modems completely, or is a cautious partnership the smarter move? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I genuinely want to know. And while you're there, ask any questions about rumored specs, performance, or new tech, because I'll be reading and responding. From a casual observer, the Pixel 11 series might seem like another yearly refresh, but dig a little deeper, and it could redefine how Google approaches connectivity, performance, and innovation. Whether it's faster 5G, built-in satellite coverage, improved thermals, or sleek new designs, there's a lot to be excited about. Stay tuned, because as leaks continue to roll in, the story only gets juicier. The Pixel 11 isn't just another phone. It could be the device that finally lets Google play in the big leagues, fully unleashed, and with surprises we haven't even imagined yet. I'll be covering every detail, every leak, and every insider tidbit, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to not miss a single update. Alright, that's your sneak peek into the potential future of the Pixel series. Let me know in the comments which feature excites you the most: satellite connectivity, blazing 5G speeds, or maybe a foldable design. Your insight could spark the next discussion in the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next deep dive into the tech world.